Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. Today we have a little unboxing video of some Kaiweets test equipment I have purchased. I do subscribe to a channel from Darren Walker. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description down below. And over the past week or so he's had a Kaiweets week where he's demoed and reviewed some of the test instruments available from Kaiweets. I like the look of some of them, and in particular the HT208D clamp over there. I'm interested to see how that performs against the Unity and the FLIR instruments that I've just reviewed myself. So this is what I've bought. We have a set of test leads. These are, I feel, a little bit more aimed towards the electrical side of things. They are the KET 011 version. All of this kit came from Amazon. It's available on their website to order. So I have those there. I have a KM601 smart digital multimeter, and then, as I said, the HT208D clamp meter. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing and taking a basic look at what I've purchased. We will start off with the clamp meter. I think we'll push those other two well out of the way. And here we have it. So this is Kaiweets. They do come, obviously they're nice boxes, but they do come in quite a nice case as well. And this is what we get inside. So elasticated band for the meter itself, and thermocouple, presume that's K-type, usually are, and a set of leads. These actually feel like silicon leads, I believe they are this time round. Yeah, very nice. Set of 3 AA cells, and we've got a little manual that comes within it, I believe. Yep, so this is just an English version of the manual, a few instructions in there and the like. Okay, so yeah, quite nice case. You've got the band there, the pocket to put other bits and pieces in. There's the instrument itself, rubberized kind of feel to it. So this is the HT208D. This is a 0 to 1000 amp AC/DC current clamp. There's the AC/DC current readings on the first two there. Also AC/DC voltage, and both of those functions they have a VFD mode for working with inverters. Got frequency and duty cycle. Got our ohms, continuity diode and capacitance, temperature, degree C and degree F. And then we've got a low impedance input for AC/DC voltage measurement, and then non-contact voltage and live. I believe the live function is for single probe usage. And what also interests me specifically is the inrush facility available on the current measurement function up there, which I will compare the functionality of that to the functionality on the Unity and the FLIR. Okay, next up is our KM601 smart multimeter. I don't have a smart multimeter really, so this is a new one for me, and I was quite impressed by the technical specs of it, so I thought I'd give it a go and see how well it performs. But again, we've got a manual. It doesn't look like the manual fits into the case, unlike the HT208D. Again, is this so this is a multilingual manual. Okay, we'll have a read of that later, see how we get on. It's the case again, similar sort of case to the HT208D. It's kind of a clamshell sort of semi-rigid case really. It's not like the canvas cases that you get from a lot of other instruments. Looks like we've got 6 AAA cells for that one, so I think you get a spare set of cells for this particular instrument. And then same thermocouple we had, and another set of leads. Let's see what these are like. Okay, so these feel a little bit different. These feel more PVC. 20 gauge, it's got lead on it. That's about it. No identification, so yeah, they don't feel silicon on these ones. Also, you've got your Cat 4 probes. Yeah, they're on good and tight, so they should be okay. 600 volt Cat 4. Yeah, crikey, they are on tight. No crock clips with the kit, interestingly enough, which can be not so beneficial with a multimeter. And there's the actual instrument itself. Very, very nice looking instrument. So we're just back with our leads. This is the final element that I bought from Amazon. As I say, this is the KET 011 set. Comes in its own little plastic case. I believe these are silicon insulated leads. Really small set of instructions. It's just a sheet per language, multi-language again. Not sure how well you'd ever read any of that. Crikey, must be getting old. My eyes must be well going. We'll put him to one side. So you get everything comes in this little plastic case. I mean, it's not too bad a case. It has these pressed hinges and latches on it, so I don't know how long they would actually last. But you can use it for a while, I guess. So yeah, you can feel the difference between these. These are quite a bit more heavy duty, certainly than the lead set that comes with the meter, and not so much lead set that comes with the clamp meter over here. But these are quite a bit heavier gauge. 50 degrees C, so if we've got a size on it, no, there's no size. No size immediately evident on them. Now, obviously these are quite a bit different in that you get a bunch of accessories to screw into the ends on these leads here. So we've got crock clips, a little spanner to unscrew some of the accessories with. We've got some spades there. We've got some GS38 tips. We've got some standard banana tips there. Looks like they are for use with the spade terminals and the crocodile clips. And then here we have standard set of probe tips. And they're nickel plated, and it looks like we've got 4 gold plated probe tips as well. Obviously these can be, some people will view these as being a little bit annoying because you're going to have to screw in these accessories as you want them. And the other one there. These look mighty damn sharp, to be honest. I'm going to give that a try out for sure. Okay. And there you have it. There's no caps for these particular leads with these probes on. You would have to screw in these types of probes to get the GS38 and consequently the cat rating. We'll see how we get on as to how the accessories are annoying me for interchangeability. See, it's not like using standard 4mm, is it? That's yeah. My screwing on in there. So there is no probe tip to go on a standard 4mm. If you do that, then you've only got crop clips or spade. So we need the big spanner end. So then you've got the crop clip to go on. Or you've got the spade there. And then if you want the GS38 tip, so there's no spanner on this bit, you can only do this, screw it down with your fingers like that. And there you have it. Okay. So you've got to have a bit of a play when you get something new, haven't you? Just going to stay there. So we've got our DMM Check Plus here. We're running here on, let's see what volts we've got. Got 4.978, smack on 50 Hertz AC. Let's just flip him to DC. I've got smack on 5 volts DC. And it's always changed to temperature, 15.7 degrees, see there. That seems a little bit low. But voltage wise it was smack on. Let's flip it around. Got our resistances here, so it'll be 100k, 100.1, we've got 10k, smack on, we've got 1k, 1.003, and we've got 100 ohms, 100.2, yeah, pretty good there. Let's swap my jack around, and we've automated, so we've put them into the current jack down here, and we switched over to milliamp straight away. Let's see what we've got. This should be DC current, which is 1.007 milliamps. And we'll flip him back to AC, and we've got, okay, we've not picked anything up. I think it's stayed on DC current. I know it does change frequency, so let's just see. Yeah, it doesn't want to switch from DC current, so we'll force it manually to AC. And then we've got a 1 milliamp at 50 Hertz, 0.995. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't flip over to DC. Let's just try, actually, we left it at AC, does it? No, won't do, would it? Change the frequency again, and that's 1 kilohertz now, which is smack on, and 0.951. Yeah, so didn't seem to like automatic selection with the current, but other than that, they all seem a pretty good set of readings. Obviously, I can't test the current clamp function at the moment. That will be in a later video, but we can go through the same kind of tests with this. So we are on voltage. I presume this doesn't auto, does it? No, so we will need to AC volts, so we should be 4.649 and 0.99 kilohertz, so quite a bit lower. I'm not sure what the actual frequency response of this instrument is on 50 Hertz with 4.978, which agreed with the KM601. But we lost 0.1 of a hertz there. Okay, let's flip him back to DC. Let's see, we should be on 5 volts, 4.998. Yeah, a little bit down. Oh, no, there you go. Took a little while to get there. We've got 17 degrees C, which is probably a little bit closer. Okay, we'll flip him around. We want ohms. Auto, we'll go for 100k. Smack on 100k, look at that. 10k. 9.99. 1k. 0.99 and 100 ohms. 100.2. That's pretty much in agreement with the KM601. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. A little brief intro into these instruments. I say I'll certainly be doing some more videos on this HT28D and compare it to the functionality of the Uni-T and the FLIR instruments and see how we get on. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again in the next video.